What's up, everybody? It's day 91 of 100 Days of Code, and it's your boy Kendall once again here on 100 Days of Codes. And we are day 91, so we are now in the single digits of what is left of 100 Days of Codes. I mean, we are almost there, guys. It's super exciting and super sobering to think that we've been consistent for that long. We've just kept showing up and we kept making it happen. So I feel really proud in a lot of ways that we kept making this happen. And, you know, it's emotional and amazing all at the same time. I mean, for me, like I've got a young family. I have a 1 year old. I have a 3 year old. I've been doing this intensive boot camp, and yet I just kept taking right action. I kept showing up and kept doing these videos. So we're gonna keep doing that. We're gonna keep going, keep doing that, keep charting our progress. We're gonna have some amazing stuff to look back on in a few years. So even at the end of this, to see where we came from at the beginning. Started from the bottom, now we're here, right? Old Drake song, right? Started from the bottom, now we're here. I won't go. I won't go anywhere to that. Oh man. But whatever the case, guys, we know the rules of 100 Days of Code is one, that we code 1 hour a day. Two, we keep ourselves accountable publicly. Three, we share our thoughts and feelings with all of you fine people. So what did I get up to today? Well, today we did a little bit more of Next.js review. So sort of looking at sort of layout components and wrapping the children in a footer and a header, and then that showing up and that rendering onto the pages. Messed around with sort of some of the different components and how they render in different ways. Um, Made some buttons, made some lists, tried some fetching and things like that in Next.js. It obviously it's very similar to React, but it was just sort of to get my grips to how the relationship is with things together and just get used to that again. So it was a little bit of that, and sort of look back on things I've done before and just review. There was some review in there as well, and then there was sort of creating some new things as well, just to test my knowledge. Get a search box up, that sort of thing, um, and had a little play around with something called Nexus. So Nexus is this sort of componentry plugin extension that you get for VS Codes, and you can basically create a component tree, which is something that we need to do. So I just looked pretty fresh and looked pretty nice. I think it has some interesting functionality, so that could be interesting for maybe part of our componentry process. I mean, we'll see what the how the guys feel about that and everything, the team. But that looks pretty cool as well. So messed around with that. Did a little bit of Code Wars, so that was good as well. So I'm rising up in the ranks now, so doing pretty good. I think I'm a 5 KYU now, so that's pretty good. I'm not looking to get to like any major level or anything, but just been chipping away little by little. Consistency is the key. Am I a JavaScript expert by any means, or an SQL expert, or any of those things? No. It takes me a little while to get some of those things done, but you know what? It doesn't matter. Sometimes I get them, sometimes I don't, but the whole thing is I'm learning how to problem solve, so that's what we're going to keep doing. Keep breaking the problem down, keep breaking down small chunks, see what we can come up with. Get stuck, you get stuck. So it's all good. I'm trying to be really laid back about Project Month as well. Not laid back in the fact that, lazy, but laid back in the sense of inside, because the feedback that I always heard from lots of people during this time is people were really intense and they wish they wouldn't have been so intense and been so stressed out and anxious over different things. So I've been trying to keep a sort of laid back approach. So I think I'm definitely going to implement sort of some journaling, because I've definitely been finding myself like, overthinking lots of things and, trying to review lots of things and just taking it to like an nth degree. And I just don't think it needs to be that intense. So I made a decision that, I'm just going to do little bits here and little bits there. Um, have lots of energy so I can contribute to my team and give where I can and what I can remember and what I can offer those sort of things. If that's positivity, then I'll do that. If that's a bit of code here and there, then I'll offer that. If that's a listening ear, I'll do that. If that's doing Scrum Master duties, then we'll do that. I'm just gonna step out for my team. Whatever I need to do, I'll do to make our team better. So really excited about tomorrow. That was some of the review from today of different things I did. So all in all, it's been a really good day. And then of course we ended the day. Well, we didn't end the day. A lot of the beginning of the day was went out with the kids, met my dads. We went for fish and chips on the Worthing seafronts. We ended up running around. They've got these fountains on the seafront, so we ran around some of those as well. We played in the playground with the kids in the sand. So yeah, it was a really, really good day overall, and got to enjoy some nice sunshine. So making the most of it. We're seizing the day. Carpe diem, right? Seize the day. So that's what we're going to keep doing. We're going to keep seizing the day. We're going to keep conquering. We're going to keep being a warrior. And we're going to keep showing up. And you know what? Before you know it, we'll be in the project week and we'll be smashing it. We're going to be there. I have really good feelings. I think this week's going to be a really good, pivotal week to set us up for the rest of the project. And anyways, guys, that's the rest. That's enough for me from day 91 of 100 Days of Code. We'll see you guys next time. Peace. Keep calm. Code on.